Hello and welcome back to SciTech. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a mini power tool that uses Dremel bits and you can attach it to a 9-volt battery. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need: a 9-volt battery, a 9-volt battery connector, a DC motor, and this little connector that will connect to the DC motor, and you can be able to attach Dremel bits to it. Now let's go ahead and assemble this project and let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is take the 9-volt battery clip, flip it over, solder it in it. Next, I'm going to solder the 9-volt battery clip to the DC motor, and as you can see, this little red dot here is the positive. Polarity does matter on a DC motor. That way, it can be able to rotate in the correct direction and allow it to function correctly. So what I need to do is connect that positive over to the positive terminal, and then the negative to the negative terminal. Solder it into place. And there we go, soldered into place, but it's not very straight. So what I need to do is remelt the solder and make it more straight. And there, that's better. Next, I'm going to take this little connector and connect it to the shaft of the DC motor. Get an idea so it doesn't go in too deep, so that way it can still fit the Dremel bits. And I'll take the slit screwdriver and screw in the screw, so that way it fastens in nice and tight. And now take a Dremel bit, place it inside, loosen the screw a little bit more, and there we go, hold it firm, there we go, nice and tight. And there, this mini power tool is now ready to use. Now let's go ahead and test it out. And as you can see, the cutter tool works. Now let's go remove it and replace it with a wire brush. And now let's go ahead and remove the wire brush with the grinding wheel. And as you can see, this mini power tool works pretty well for its size. Not very strong, but it can be very useful for delicate projects, maybe even for a manicure, or maybe simple engraving. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own mini power tool with using a DC motor and a 9-volt battery and using Dremel bits. Thank you for watching SciTech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.